You know more than anyone about how dusty things can get on a normal workday. It's a fact of life for you. Engine air filters are designed to be the first line of defense for an engine. Without a properly fitting or working air filter, dust and debris can make their way into the engine, leading to long-term wear or even catastrophic failure and unplanned downtime. No one wants that, but it's easy to prevent. AGCO's Genuine Air Filters are guaranteed to fit our machines the first time with airtight seals and easy installation. Not only is downtime easy to prevent, but machine efficiency is also important to consider. AGCO Genuine Air Filters with ultra-web media stop 99.97% of foreign particles. And they do it while maximizing engine airflow, which results in optimal power and fuel savings. Plus, our filters are designed with an exclusive fine fiber media that collects dust on the surface, which can vibrate off during engine operation, resulting in longer filter life, all while maintaining engine performance and longevity. Your equipment needs clean air. Contaminated air reduces performance and increases fuel consumption. Don't risk that a few ounces of dust can ruin your short planting or harvesting window. Only AGCO Genuine Filters meet the specification of your AGCO equipment. It's always the easy decision. Trust AGCO Genuine Air Filters for your AGCO machine. We are AGCO Parts. Genuine parts, genuine service, genuine reliability. For more information about AGCO Genuine Air Filters, contact your local AGCO dealer. To find a dealer or to order online, visit parts.agcocorp.com.